In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default language in Microsoft Word. If Microsoft Word is using the wrong language for spelling, grammar, or other document settings, you can change the default language so that Word uses your preferred language whenever you create or edit documents. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document, or open an existing document. Once Word is open, go to the File tab in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Options. The Word Options window will now appear. From the options on the left side, select Language. Here, you will see the language settings for Microsoft Word. Look for the section where you can choose the language used for authoring and proofing. Find the language that you want to use as your default language. If it is already listed, select it from the available languages. After selecting your preferred language, choose the option to set it as the default language. Microsoft Word may display a confirmation message explaining that changing the default language can affect future documents and some existing content. Confirm the change if you want Word to use this language as your default. Once the language has been selected as the default, click OK to close the language settings. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, you may need to restart Word for some language changes to take effect. Close Word and open it again if necessary. After reopening Microsoft Word, the selected language should now be used as the default language for your Word documents. You can also check the spelling and grammar settings to make sure Word is using the language you selected. This is particularly useful when you are writing documents in a language other than the one Word was originally configured to use. Keep in mind that changing the default language can affect how Word checks spelling and grammar. It does not automatically translate the text that is already written in your document. Instead, it tells Word which language to use when working with your document. If you regularly create documents in the same language, setting it as the default can save you time, because you will not need to change the language settings each time you start a new document. And that's how you can change the default language in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,